Okay. Okay, yeah, I got it.
Okay. Now disconnect your ballast from the power.
Disconnect.
Mm-hmm.
No tools required?
No tools required, really.
Even for the brackets? No screws?
No.
Oh, wow.
No, not unless those are wired down or screwed down against the T-bar.
That's cool.
Mm-hmm.
See, Vitaly, the guy's gonna love this. No tools required, just your hands.
Pretty much, yeah.
And then we're leaving the ballast, right?
You can retire the ballast in place. That's what I call it.
That's what we're gonna do. Retire it in place. Keep the cost low.
Yep. Okay. Now. Yeah.
Okay, I go 2 huts.
2 hots in the ground, right?
1 liter first.
Okay. Okie doke. Now, I'm moving the camera all around. Put that up underneath that one there.
Like here?
Go into the lift up the underneath the troffer itself.
Should go like this?
Yep. Slips right underneath the troffer.
Oh, right underneath.
Mm-hmm.
Underneath.
Oh, between the T-bar and...
Yeah, it's between the T-bar and the troffer.
Ah.
Oh, so it is. Okay.
Wow.
Now, push it all the way in.
Nice.
Okay, lift up the troffer a little
Easy.
bit.
Huh?
The troffer's probably not all the way underneath it, so lift your troffer up just a bit and then make sure it goes all the way underneath. There you go.
There you go.
Perfect. Well, almost. That's the right side is still a little bit. There you go. Should be able to get that in. There we go. Perfect. Now, same thing with this one.
On the other side now.
Yeah, just flip it that way. Yep. And now here's where the magic happens.
This one.
Now just lift it up upside down to him. Now you're gonna hang it. Hang this side first into the bracket.
And then brackets, okay.
Yes. Are they in? Good. Excellent. And now connect your power and ground.
And what's the cables for?
Well, those are safety harnesses.
Safety harness, okay.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, you can actually use those to secure the
So we don't need this one, right?
you don't need those yet. So far we're at 3 minutes.
3 minutes, that's it.
Yes. We're almost done.
Almost done, yeah.
Yep, you can just plug them in. Awesome. Connect the power. Whoop. That's why you put the safety harnesses on. But just there you go.
Probably need here.
Oh, you know what? Hold on, man. I don't know. Do it this way.
Oh no, you can't.
I can?
No, because the latches are on the other side.
Here, I'll just hold it and then we can connect.
Okay, then I need help.
Right.
Okay. Now swing it up into place. Now push it all the way up against the fixture. Keep going. Now press it up.
Okay, I think this troffer is supposed to go.
Oh yeah, it's supposed to go way in. Yep. Yeah, pull it out.
Here.
It's It's my first time.
Yeah,
Yeah,
no
exactly.
problem.